Recently, I almost threw away my wiper blades and bought new ones, but I happened to mention this to a friend right before I did that, and he told me, why are you wasting your money? Why don't you just clean them? And I thought, wow, that's a good point. It never even crossed my mind that you could actually just clean these things instead of throwing them away every time they start to not wipe the window as well as they used to. So the reason I wanted to replace my blades was because they started leaving streaks on my windows, and along with like this greasy, smudgy stuff on one side, and occasionally they would be squeaking as they go back and forth. So I've learned that what causes that is tar and grease and whatever else is on the roads and on the highways. As you're driving, that stuff from the cars ahead of you gets splattered onto your windshield, and eventually it ends up on your blades as well. So why this happens, the streaks and the noises, is mostly because of all that accumulation on your blades. And what my friend suggested I do is clean them by simply using WD-40 and a paper napkin, or you can use a sock or a rag or something. So go ahead and spray. I'll show you an example of what that would look like. Spray WD-40 on your napkin. And get those blades nice and clean. To get all that gunk off of it that's stuck on there. And even though my blades weren't that dirty, look at that. It's pretty much like the tar off of the roads. Usually cleaning your blades just like this is more than enough to make a big difference. You know, no more streaks and no more greasy spots. So I cleaned that one, and it's probably actually easier to just leave them on when you clean them. So here's my other one, the longer one. I'll just flip this over. This one I'll just leave on and clean it right on there. Clean this blade as well. Yeah, so this was a revelation for me. I thought I would share it with you as well. So if there's other people like me wasting their money, you can stop doing that. Because usually you could just clean them right up. Of course, if they're torn or ripped, then there's no use cleaning them. Then you do have to replace them. So look at that. That one was even worse. So with all that stuff off, my streaks should be gone. And if your window is still a little greasy, even after you do that, you could get some glass cleaner and go ahead and clean your window as well, because the stuff flying off the road does stick to your window too. So mine is not that dirty. I'm not gonna show you an example of me cleaning it simply because I don't feel like it, but you would spray it down and just wipe it all as well. But I do want to test my wiper blades and see how well they're going to be wiping the window now. Okay, here goes. That looks really good. I mean, I don't really like this, but I think that's just from the regular wiper blade. That looks a lot better than it was. I had streaks, you know, going back and forth everywhere, and I probably should have filmed it before I actually cleaned the wiper blades. But yeah, this looks much better. Well guys, I hope this video will help you save some money and prevent you from needlessly throwing away your wiper blades when you can just clean them. If you have any other great tips or suggestions similar to this one, we would love to hear from you in the comments below. That is all I had for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to mash that like button on the way out, and we'll see you next time. And if you're still here and not in the comment section below, I'm actually writing a whole book about WD-40. And the best part about it, it's non-friction.